Hi guys, my name is Elvis Ibrahimovic. Today I will show you how you can make money online with a match bettings. Match bettings is very popular online, and so many people think this match betting is gambling. But if you play safe and you know how to do it, it's not gambling. So you can make anything from £50 up to £1,000 plus. So if you're interested in this program, I will show you quickly the website where you can make money. Only unfortunately, this program is only for United Kingdom. So it's not from Europe, it's not from any different country, it's only for United Kingdom. So I will show you the company, the website called Profit Accumulator. I will type here. It's called Profit Accumulator. Profit Accumulator is its website where you can is match betting. You can see you can make money online with Profit Accumulator. I will just I'm not allowed to play all video, but I will just play a little bit because of copyright.
Hi, I'm Sam, CEO and founder of Profit Accumulator. What is Profit Accumulator? Well, we teach people how they can make some extra money doing something called matched betting. Now, this isn't gambling, because when you do it correctly, you can't lose. And if you don't believe me, how about The Telegraph, Daily Mail, The Guardian, The Sun, Vice, Money Saving Experts, all major websites that have covered matched betting. So let me explain how it works.
Yeah, in this video, the guy will explain to you exactly. He's the owner. His name is Sam. I make so much money from him. He will show exactly what you need to do and how these things work. It's very easy. Everyone can follow. But only thing you need to trust to this website because we have lots of members who already get money and paid and everything, and we don't have I don't know anyone who lose the money by this website. So we're gonna just continue watch.
Like any business, bookmakers try to attract new customers using promotions. And the main way they do this is by using free bets and bonuses. And we can take advantage of these bonuses to make a profit. So let's say that, for example, a major high street bookmaker like William Hill or Coral or Ladbrokes are offering a £50 bonus to new customers. So we sign up and we might place a £50 bet on a coin toss landing on heads, and a £50 bet on the same coin toss landing on tails. Whichever way it lands, it doesn't matter. You won't win any money, but you won't lose any either because you've covered all possible outcomes. But you then get the £50 bonus, so you're £50 up. Now, a lot of people have tried match betting on their own, but the issue is finding all of the available bonuses can be extremely time consuming because there are literally hundreds of them available. And the strategy to turn them into cash can be completely different from one bonus to another. It's really important that you've got the correct strategy in order for it.
And about this one, I will tell you when you join to this Profit Accumulator, you're gonna get every strategy how you have to do it. You're gonna get the signals, how to bet, where to bet, and you're gonna get money. So this program is created to do not lose the money, and it's not the point if he give you false signals and stuff like. So basically, he teach you how to do proper way, and also we have a Facebook group where you can speak to the members, with admins, and you have lots of support. So this website is great, and you can go down and scroll, and I'm just gonna show you how these things work. So free trial is no credit card required. You can earn over £40. You have platinum member is $17.99 a month and all $150 a year. Yeah? So when you join, example, $150 a year, so you can basically you get all this information you get easy how to do step by step, how to make money every single day. So you can make you can make this like your full part-time or full-time job, yeah. And also I will show you my results, how I profit with this as well. So I will just quickly log into my option. Is not this one. Yeah, this one. So basically, this is my account. Yeah, this is my account. I have at the moment I have a £6.30. I already make £1,920 already, and you can see all my commissions is here. So I can I already get paid by PayPal, and this is amazing website, and you can see my name is here. Yeah, you can see, and this is my account. Yeah, guys, it's I make already £1,920. So just do a few minutes or few hours a week, and it's so cool. I will log out from here. Yeah, guys, this is great opportunity if you don't have any job or you are from home, so you don't have to. I will leave the link below this video, so if you're happy to join, you can click the link below and you can start right away. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.